I have a tip for you that I use all the time to change the intensity of my colors in my paintings. Hi, my name is Gail and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. So I have the color red painted on this paper. To change the intensity, I use the complementary color. Complementary color is the color opposite on the color wheel. So I have the red here, the opposite will be green. So I have green paint that I'm going to add to the red to change its intensity. So if you look at this, notice the difference in the color. It's just by adding a little bit of complementary color to it. I think it becomes very nice. So every time when I want to change the intensity of a particular color, I just use the complementary color. I hope this helps you. So until next week, love you guys. Bye-bye.